Read the specification of the Wingsland S6 selfie drone on any website and you will see a max flying speed of 8 meters per second quoted, and most of the S6 YouTube reviews and flight tests also say the same thing. According to my calculations, 8 meters per second is just under 18 miles per hour. If the Wingsland S6 drone will do 18 miles per hour, then I must have a dud, because I can't get my S6 drone anywhere near those sorts of speeds, even flying it with a tailwind. I have owned the S6 for a few weeks now, and, in my experience at least, the S6 won't reach half the quoted maximum speed. In order to show the speed of my S6 drone, I thought I'd get my GoPro Hero 6 and walk along with the S6 as I record it. Note I say walk, yep, I don't even need to run to keep up with my S6, as this clip will clearly demonstrate. It doesn't matter whether I pitch the S6 forwards, pitch it backwards, roll it to the right or roll it to the left, the Wingsland S6 drone is still slow. Okay, it wasn't a totally still day and there were a few slight gusts, but it was hardly windy. Even with a slight tailwind, the S6 is still very slow. I really wish I could walk 18 miles per hour, but I can't even run that fast, so if I can walk along the S6, there is no way the max speed of my S6 drone is 18 miles an hour. Given that I have short stumpy legs and I walk around 4 to 5 miles per hour on average, I would guess the speed of my S6 is around 2.5 meters per second, which is considerably slower than advertised. Even though the Wingsland S6 drone is slow, this isn't such a bad thing. I mean, the S6 is a selfie drone designed for aerial photography and taking aerial videos, and you don't need a fast drone for this. In fact, slower drones are often better than fast ones for video and stills photography. There are times when it would be beneficial if the S6 was a little faster. Getting the S6 drone into position to take the shot or capture the footage seems to take an age, and also uses battery life which could be better used to take photos or capture video footage. The slow speed of the S6 is an annoyance and it shouldn't put you off buying one, but it is something you need to be aware of, especially if you are buying the Wingsland S6 drone thinking it will do the advertised 8 meters per second. The S6 is an excellent selfie drone and I wouldn't be without mine.